Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are at Kangaroo Creek Farm, but we're in Canada, so it's kind of strange to see kangaroos in Canada because usually they're only in Australia. But yeah, we've been touring around a little bit and we've been going to the goats and the kangaroos. You'll see a little bit of everything. There's a reptile show that's going to happen that we might go to. There's a peacock right there. There's peacocks on the fences and roosters with funny hairdos, and so yeah, we're gonna go to there's one side, there's a half side of the kangaroos, and then there's another half side, so we're gonna go to the other side right now. You guys will see a little bit of everything, so make sure you stay tuned to see everything.
And we'll see you there.
Mommy, they just grab it from you. They don't even steal it. He ate, Mommy. He ate the whole piece. He ate the whole way. Okay, I'm not giving him any more. I'm not giving him any more because I really don't want to. Alexa, he ate the whole piece from me. Oh. See, he's like, he's like, hello. They almost ate her hair. He started nibbling at it, but now he's not doing it. He's just pausing in place.
You don't want to eat it? Oh, no, he does. Changed his mind.
There you go.
Sorry, mate. Oh, he's going for it.
Thank you.
Her mouth is still.
Alexa.
Make sure he gets some.
I'm waiting to feed it to Spud there. I'll give you a
Hey,
carrot though.
no, you don't get any
Oh
more.
my god, I feel like he's gonna bite my fingers off. Can you believe it? Kangaroos in Canada. I thought they were only in Australia.
Can you say subscribe? Subscribe.
Subscribe. Subscribe. So we're just about to see Kathy there.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you hit that
Subscribe button.
turn on post notifications.
And drop a big thumbs up.
Peace
Out.